Okay, we showed you how to put the pad on. And this has got a hook on it. This bottom section has a loop, and we're going to hook and loop this together with just the right bag first. And there we go with the right bag. Now we're going to take the left bag, and it has the hook here and the loop here. So now we have a big setup here that's holding everything on. And there we go with that. Now these straps are really important. They are going to be a very good leveling part of the setup. I'm going to grab a hold of the handle, pull it up, pull that up. This side here, I'm going to pull this up. There are two front straps, one on the left and one on the right to secure the bag. There's a lot of leeway here to wrap these around as much as you want to. Tap it a couple of times. And there I have my front right strap. We showed you how to put this bottom strap on, looking it around, and that's the female connector. Now we're going to take this and then snug it down, and that's going to keep the bags from sliding back. So now that we have the two front straps connected, we come around to the back and we have one strap that goes over the fender or under the license plate bracket to the other buckle over here. We're going to go like this on this particular bike. Click that in. And I'm going to pull this bag down, and that'll pull this bag down. Notice the bags are not sagging in. The installation is complete now. We have the two front straps attached, the single back strap from one bag to the other, pulling them together in the back, and we have the hook and loop on the seat holding the saddlebags from sliding laterally left and right. And then we have the top long straps that went around to secure the bags and raise them up.